Yeah, so the way we've designed the course is this first year is so having those technical skills direct from industry are really important. It's not just theory, it's actually how do we use equipment, how do we apply the skills.
I really like how they're very practical with things. A lot of our assignments are very hands-on. So they make us go out there, which is super fun because as much as I enjoy like working on stories on a desk, it's a lot more fun to interact with a person while I'm out there. And they assign like different roles to us. Like for example, I was like the co-producer for today, where I was just helping out managing our radio side.
And we do that all in first year. And then in second year, it's more real world lab based.
And we also do internships, having one-on-one experiences in newsrooms. We have several partners that allow people sort of a diversity of choice.
I was also away doing my internship at CBC News Vancouver. I was with their newsroom team, and basically what I did over there was I was tasked to just find something original, like some original stories and pitch my ideas.
So they could use the skills that they're learning in radio, digital, and video and use them in all different kinds of applications.
Well, it's a lot of fun. Those like hands-on experience that BCIT provides. They do give us like the general outline, but it's ultimately up to us. Like it's all student-led. So it's, again, we do make mistakes, but everything's on us basically. The pressure is on and things are just getting as realistic as they possibly can to the industry standards.
That's why internships are so valuable. At the end of the day, we have employers calling us, looking for our grads.
Yes, I absolutely love watching students get that first job and watching how their career progresses. While this is an industry where network is really important, so having connections to industry is really important for our faculty and for our students.
Having instructors with strong connections to the industry just help us out a lot because they just constantly share like any new opportunities with us. They basically tell us, just give us tip sheets, like these are the things that CBC was looking for like when they're hiring people, or these are like the really like crucial things that like a journalist needs. So if you know these kind of skills, you're pretty much set for the industry.
And with experience, it's great for us to be able to share that, to build their confidence and their competence in the field. Journalism is a great job for people that are always looking for interesting stuff and love to journal or love to do creative writing, or they just want to know how the world comes together.
So people with that curiosity and desire to be a storyteller, that's really what we're looking for. I think you have to be curious, want to tell stories, be creative and really interested in exploring all of the different mediums.
Being able to interview people and work on a story on such a short amount of time is one of the crucial skills that I've learned.
And then the journalist has the opportunity to write a story about the people that they've met that day. And that's a great privilege.
So what's really interesting about journalism is that you have to write in a way that a lot of the audience can understand. Even though language barrier may be a problem to international students, in a way it may not be, because we often bring like new and interesting like viewpoints. And
so that gives them an advantage to be able to tell stories, make contacts in both languages.
It can kind of help you overcome the language barrier in a way.
It's a great idea to be able to help people make connections here in Canada and also learn skills that they can take home. If they plan to go back, become a journalist. The magic of journalism is that we are in a privileged position to be able to go out, find out information, ask questions, and come back and use our own creative skills to write those stories and present them publicly.